Was it really possible in ancient India? The study of sounds and vibrations has always fascinated scientists for centuries. For example, a researcher named Anthony Holland recently showed that cancerous cells could be completely destroyed by targeting them with certain frequencies of sound waves. But you will be surprised to know that the seers from ancient India were using various sounds or mantras to cure many diseases. The ancient Vedic seers had understood the importance of sound vibrations in achieving multiple extraordinary feats. One of the most intriguing things about this culture is that each of their gods is always shown with a musical instrument. This shows how advanced the ancient Indians were in their knowledge of sound frequencies and its applications in scientific and spiritual fields. Various ancient texts suggest that they perform miracles like levitation and invisibility by using mantras or sound frequencies. The Hindu texts also say that the universe is a manifestation of sound, and we can gain extraordinary power by learning its secrets.